Alright guys, let's talk about one or maybe even the most important type of sheet that we have, drawing sheets. Well, there are some specific segments and parts to these types of sheets, and in this session, in this video, we're going to talk about the most important ones. For example, down here on the right part of our sheet, we have this box, and in the box, as you can see, it says title box or title block. Here, we would specify information such as the type of the diagram, or for example, the usage, or even the designer, the name of the designer. It could be a person again, or even a company. Then up here, we have revision history block. Here, we would give information regarding the date of the modification and edits applied on the diagram. The entire drawings would be set in this area. And the most important parts of the drawing sheets would be the zones. Now, another important factor in these sheets would be the matter of addressing. And to do so, we usually use numbers and letters. When it comes to using numbers, mostly numbers from 1 to 10 are used, or even maybe 12. And regarding letters, we go somewhere from A to H, or again, maybe even further. Now, let me try to elaborate a little bit more on this, so that you'd understand the concept of zones better. Okay, take a look at this. There's an equipment set here with this kind of symbol, all right? Now, the address of this equipment here would actually be E2. Or we have another symbol this time down here, and the address for this one is actually B9. Okay, now to make sure that you have gotten everything completely, let me go ahead and give you another example, this time using a real wiring diagram. Okay, take a look at this. Here in this diagram, I have specified two areas for you. The first area would be here, this zone right here. Okay, let me try to mark it a little bit better. This equipment. Also, let me zoom in on it. Okay. Now, the address here would be, let me write it down, O or 0 slash J9. Okay? Now, this 0 here, guys, means that this whole closed contact, the exact same equipment, has actually been used in another sheet somewhere else. All right? And, well, the J9 here actually stands for the exact address of this equipment. So, if we go to this address, if we take a closer look to this exact address, which I guess would be right here. Let me also mark this. Okay, you'll see the exact same equipment here as well. And, well, next to it, we can also see 0 slash G3 this time. Let me write it down completely. Okay. So, again, we have the exact same equipment that we have used before in J9, but this time we have used it in G3 instead. Right? So, the same closed contact, or the same equipment. So guys, in these sheets, we would basically see some symbols, and next to them, we would see some addresses consist of letters and numbers, which would work as some sort of a referral, you can say. Now, there's actually a name, or, well, it's better to say a term used for such phenomena. When the equipments are referred to each other through their addresses, we call such phenomena cross-reference. And by the way, guys, remember, if you are using some specific software such as ePlan, you can say, for your works and projects, you should know that such things like this cross-reference will be done quite automatically for you.